Hello and welcome to Brightspace. This video is just a little introduction so that you understand how Brightspace is laid out and how to navigate through our course. So once you log in to your iLead online platform through Brightspace, you'll see all of your courses are down below right here. Chances are, if you're taking a science class with me, Mrs. Parker, you're either in earth science or chemistry, A or B. And so we're going to go ahead and click on our course. So if you're in chemistry, you would go ahead and click on whichever chemistry course you are in, and that will kind of lead you to your chemistry course page. On this page, it should say welcome with your name, and you will see our weekly message for whatever block we're working on. This will give you a few reminders, some side notes, and anything else you should keep in mind as you're working through the current block. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see our visual table of contents below that. This gives you all of the course units in little course tiles that you can select. And you can see ours goes all the way down to the culminating project, some course resources, and a course evaluation. Now, you can start working on the course by clicking in any one of these units, and that'll bring you to this menu where you can start clicking around and reading what we have to offer. So this is our Getting Started course, and you can see if you click here, it'll tell you a little bit about me, your facilitator. And if you look over in the top right-hand corner, you'll see there's some arrows. These arrows will also help you navigate through the content. So we can see right now we're in track A. If you'd like to see the track A pacing guide, you can click on that link, and this will give you the track A pacing guide for grades 9 through 12. Off to the left, it will give you the dates. In the middle, it will tell you what block we're working on. And on the right-hand side, it'll give you things to do. So perhaps you need to email your facilitator to introduce yourself. Or on Labor Day, we don't have any school, so you can check your course announcements and get started, and so on and so forth. So you can print that out or bookmark that somewhere on your computer so that you know exactly what you should be working on each week. That brings us back to our course material, so you can keep navigating using these arrows to see all of the course content. Now, I prefer to actually go through the course by going back here. And when you get to your course page with chemistry and you've read your little weekly announcement right here, you can go ahead and click on the content button in the very middle. This content button is kind of cool. It gives you a table of contents of the whole course. All right, so we have Getting Started, Units 1 through 7, our culminating project, etc. And wherever you leave off is always going to be at the very top. So you can just click continue and it's already bookmarked for you. Now we're going to go ahead and click into Unit 1. All right, and we can see here this is going to be our intro to science. It has our driving question. It has our weekly agenda. And then the next most important thing to do when you are brand new to the chemistry course is to request your Gizmo login. Gizmo is the platform where we're going to do all of our online and virtual lab activities. I've linked a little video so that you can click here and learn how to log in. But what you're going to do is you're going to click below and you're going to make a post so that you can say, Miss Parker, please give me my information. I will respond to your post with a learning card that looks similar to this. All right. And this will have your personal login information so that you know how to log into the Gizmo platform. Now, if you're new to Gizmo, I also have a little slideshow posted for you on how I like to use Gizmo on my computer. So here's the process for logging in once I've sent you your card, what it's going to look like. And then what I prefer to do is open up my assignment page on one half of my screen, and in a separate window, my Gizmo login page. This allows me to launch my Gizmo and then complete the online activity on one side of my screen while typing the answers into the second. This just makes it neat and clean. You're not going back and forth between tabs. You can see everything all at once. And I just find it's a much easier way to set up your Gizmo labs. Now, if we go back to Brightspace, after you do that, you can just keep clicking next to get to the next part of the information as it's supposed to be presented to you. So this is really your easiest way to navigate the course. Okie dokie. And you can see as the assignments come forward, they will continue to pop up for you. Easy peasy. When you're ready to go back to the content or back to your main screen, you can always go back here. And as you can see, it leaves it bookmarked right here for you. Now, if you ever get stuck with something in chemistry, you have two options. You can click right here to email me through Brightspace, or you can, of course, email me through your personal or school email and shoot me an email at jamie.parker@ileadonline.org. And you can send me any question. It could be something about the assignment, how to log in. Maybe you need help solving number 7 on the block 5 assignment, and you copy and paste the question for me. Just make sure that you always include your name and your course that you're taking in your email. And like I said, email is the fastest way to get a hold of me. I am constantly checking my email on my phone and on my laptop because I'm here to help you. So I hope this gives you a really good overview of the best way to use Brightspace and navigate our chemistry course.